In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate GST in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure the price of your goods is already entered into a cell in the worksheet. This is the value Excel will use to calculate the GST amount. If you are creating a new sheet, you can first type your product price into any cell you prefer. Keeping your values organized will make the calculation much easier to understand and reuse later. Once your price is in place, click on an empty cell where you want the GST result to appear. This is important because the formula needs a separate location to display the calculated tax amount without overwriting your original price. Now, in that empty cell, type a formula that starts with an equals sign. After that, select or type the cell reference that contains the price of your goods, then add an asterisk to multiply it by the GST rate. After the asterisk, enter your GST percentage and make sure to include the percentage sign. That percentage sign tells Excel to treat the number as a tax rate rather than a whole number. For example, if the price of your goods is 1,000 and your GST rate is 12%, your formula would multiply the cell containing 1,000 by 12%. When you press enter, Excel will instantly calculate the result and show 120. That 120 is the GST amount only, not the total price including tax. A helpful tip here is to double check that you are clicking the correct cell for the product price before entering the percentage. If the wrong cell is referenced, the GST result will also be incorrect. It's also a good idea to confirm that your GST rate is typed as a percentage, because entering it incorrectly can change the result. This method is useful because it is quick, simple, and easy to repeat for different products or different GST rates. Once you understand the basic formula, you can use the same approach throughout your spreadsheet whenever you need to calculate tax on a price. And that's it. You've successfully calculated GST in Microsoft Excel using a simple formula. With just a price cell, a percentage rate, and a multiplication formula, Excel can do the tax calculation for you in seconds.